Welcome everybody to another Sudokus. We're gonna be doing the Arithmetic Quiz. It's normal Sudoku, rules apply, and or I guess let me show you really quick. So 2-cell circles enclose are 2-digit numbers. 3-cell circles enclosed are 3-digit numbers. So this is a math quiz right here. You'll see that there's like some times, there's some equal signs right here. This added together is this, like there's some division, there's some, oh my god, what was that? There's stuff in parentheses. This is we're gonna foil this. I don't know if there is there actually a foil? No, there's not. But anyways, this is gonna be a fun puzzle. I saw this and I was like, what, math? I'm very curious. Kind of has like a cool little thing right here. Like it gives you 9 numbers, but it's basically like a quiz. Like it's laid out like a quiz, so it's pretty cool. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started and see how well we do in this math quiz. And you guys know normal Sudoku rules, right? Like if there's a 1 right here, it can't be in a row, can't be in here, it has to be right there because it's a 1 through 9, 1 through 9, 1 through 9, somewhere around here. Anyways, you guys know that. Let's go ahead and do some math. Algebraic. All right, so where to start? So a couple things that I want to point out. I'm not really going to highlight. Well, maybe I will highlight just so you guys can see. There's a couple of things I can probably conclude right away. Is that any of these equations right here that equal this is a single-digit number. So all this right here, this plus this, this plus this, this plus this equals that same number. So right away, like for example, this one right here, we know that this has to be a high number because if it's a 3, for example, you could do 1 plus 2, but what else can it be? It can't be 9. It could be 8, so I'm just gonna throw some numbers in here. So this could be 8 because 8 has 1 plus 7, 6 plus 2. Oh wait, 4 plus 4 can't happen. Oh, that's interesting. 1, 2, 3. Oh, actually, but 3. We only need 3. For some reason, I thought it was 4. So 8 actually does work. It's just not going to have 4 in there. Like 4 would go right here, for example. Like if this is 8, this would be a 4. And then 7, I think, is the only other one it could be. It could be 1 plus 6. It could be 2 plus 5 and 3 plus 4. And so that is that would leave the 8 over here. So if this is a 7, that would be an 8. If this is a 8, that would be a 4. And the rest of the numbers would be right there. So this is the only combination it could be, because 6, you can't get 3 different equations to equal that. So that's interesting. Same thing with this. Like this, for example, this is a low digit right here. So the highest it could be is a 9. If this was 20 minus 9 is 11, but this is a single digit, so we know that this has to be a 1. So we know that there has to be a 1 in one of these. And I just noticed right here, this right here would be a fraction. 1 divided by something, that would be a fraction. So this is obviously not a 1. This could be a 1. And this could be, it can't be a 7, like 1 plus 7, because that would be 8, but it can be a 1 plus 6, which would be 7, so that does check out. So it's either one of these two. this is going to be like a lower digit. So let's just say this is a 2. The highest that this can be is 9 minus 2 is 7. And that checks out. Okay. So this is 7 or below. Can't go any more than that. I mean, like in other words, let me just kind of put that out. I don't know why my mouse is jumping. I don't know if you guys see that. For some reason, my mouse is like jumping. Hopefully that doesn't like bother anything. Anyways, this could be any of these digits, basically. Oh wait, it can't be a 6. It can't be an 8 or a 9. Anyways, I don't know why I labeled that, just kind of wanted to show you, but that's basically what that's going to be. I feel like I want to start right here. Only reason why... Yeah, that checks out. So only reason why is because it gives us 1, 2, 3. So because of that, the lowest that this can be is a 4. This 2-digit number. This can't be a 1, so the lowest that this can be is a 2. So 2 times, 40 whatever is going to make this an 8 or a 9. If this is a 5, 5 times 2 is already in the hundreds, and this is not a 3-digit, this is a 2-digit, so this has to be a 4. And that actually means that this needs to be a 2. We just don't know what this is. Well, actually, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the lowest it can be is a 5. Actually, no, 5 times 2 is a 0, and we can't have 0. So this could either be a 6, but 6 times 2 is a 12, and we already have a 2 in there, so that can't be a 6. It could be a 7, but no, that 4 is blocking that, so this can be an 8, which that would be a 6. Yeah, that makes sense. And what about 9? If this is a 9, this would make this 98, and that would have 2 9s in there. So this is actually an 8. So we solved we solved the first problem. The first problem is executed. We're good. Actually, just because we're doing Sudoku, we should probably fill this out so that we have this for future reference. So we know that none of these can be 3, 7, or 3, 7, or 5. What does this mean for this? I wonder if this helps at all. Like, for example, these are low digits right here. So that would say that the lowest that this can be is a 2 or a 5 and a 6. And then it could be a 7 or a 9. Actually, these are also going to be that. There's only 4 digits left. Why am I even labeling these? I don't know. Why am I... What am I doing? I don't know. That's for you to decide. Actually, I have something. What's the highest this can be? The highest it can be is 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6. And that is 30. Right? 6 plus 7 is 13. 9 plus 8 is 17. That'd make this 30. So... But that would mean that this would be a 0. Okay, perfect. So the highest that this can be is a 30. Can't be 30 because there's a 0. So no. So the other one that it could be is a 1 or a 2, but the 2 is already seeing that. So in fact, this is a 1. We already know it's a 1. It's a 1. Perfect. Okay. And since that's the case, I'm just wondering. I'm just trying to like kill this one really quick. I wonder if we could do this like in order. I don't know. The lowest. Let's just say that there's a 9 here. 9 plus 5 is 14, right? The lowest that this can be, you know, 1, 2, is a 4 and a 5. Or actually, crap. I'm gonna have to do this really quick. Those are the digits that it can be. It can't be anything else. Wait, can it be a 3? That could be 3. Why didn't I put 3 in there? I have no idea. What I was trying to say though is if this is a 9 plus 5, that's the lowest that these two digits right here can be. So that's 14. And then the lowest that these can be is 7. So 7 plus 14 is in the 20s. 21. So in fact, this could never be a 9 because it would go past the 10s. So this is not a 9. So there will in fact be a 9 here. Can I do, I wonder if I could do any more than that, like 8 for example. So if 8 plus 3 is 11, and the lowest that this can be is 11, so that would be 22. So this can't be an 8. Can we do that with 7? Let me see. 7 plus 3, 10. This would be 16, so that can't be a 7. What about 5? 5 plus 3 is 8. Plus that is 19. That works. Okay. So we at least know that 7 and 8 are down here. Since we know 7 and 8 is right there, 7 can't be right there. 7 has to be right here. Oh. So that means the lowest that this can be is 12. So let me see. 12. Because it has to have a 7. So 7 plus 5 is 12. And then plus 3 and 4. So that's 7. I don't know why I did it that way. 7 plus 12 is 19. And that's literally the lowest you can go. Perfect. That actually works. So 12 plus 7 is 19. Got another digit. Perfect. So we know that there's no 5 in here. So we know that this is a 69. Oh. Okay. Actually, I wanted to do that. There we go. Actually, let's just finish this off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. And this would be 1, 2, 4. Cool. What else? I just looked at this. I was gonna do this, but then I just noticed I can get a digit here. Because this is a double digit, highest that this can be is 8 plus 9, which would be 17. So the only double digit you can get has to be a 1. So I just noticed all these things are kind of trickling away at this. So anyways, 1 1 and 1 right here brings the 1 over here. This would be a fraction again, so this cannot be a 1. This one's pretty cool because we have 2 digits right here, and this one has to be higher than this because this is a plus, like double digit plus this equals this. We can't have the same number here. So this has to be a 1. Because we know that the ones have to go right here somewhere, right? We know that there's a 1 here. So that means there has to be a 1 either here or here because of this right here. It can't go here. Oh wait, I'm sorry. It can't go here. Oh wait. I said it right the first time. It can't go here, 1, because this is a double digit. So let's just pretend that this is 19. So this is 2, and then it would bring this to 2, right? So for this to have a different digit, this being 1, I mean, would be impossible here because you're adding to this, right? So like, if this is 1, this would have to be 1 because there's no 2-digit number lower than 1. So anything adding to it, like if it was a single digit plus a single digit, you would have got it. But no, that's not possible. So in fact, this is a 1, which makes the 1 right here. But what I was trying to say is 1, some digit right here, plus that makes this a 2. Hopefully that made sense. Like, whatever digits come in here is going to change it to the next one right here. So this is either going to be a 6 or a 7. I wonder if we can solve this yet. But anyways, I don't want to jump around. Let me just jump around. Jump up, and get down. Jump, jump, jump. What about 1s? So another 1 right here. Yeah, I think that's really all the 1s that we can do. 4s. 4 can go here. 4 divided by 1 would be 4, and there can't be 2 4s. 4 divided by 1, blah blah. 4 divided by 2 is 2, but that would make 2 2s there. So this can't be a 4. Thus, this is a 4. And just so everybody's keeping count, this, to make an 8, this would have to be 4 plus 4. And we can't put 2 4s in the other one. So this, in fact, is a 3. Which makes that a 7, which makes that the 6, which makes that the 8, and then this is a 2 plus 5. I don't know why my mouse is like jumping around. I don't know if you guys see that. It's so weird. Is it catching it? My record screen is not showing it, so I don't know if you guys even notice. It's bothering me though. My mouse is like flying everywhere. Anyways. Solving some sudoku so we can clean that up a little bit. 9's gonna go somewhere right there. I don't know. Wait, 7 has to go right here somewhere. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna finish this off really quick. So this is a 2. Oh shoot, my bad. Let me just finish it off. I just want to label them. All right. Those are the digits that it can be. It can't be 5 because 5, or actually 5 divided by 1. Nope, 1's right there. Wait, that would make 5 divided by 1 is 5. You can't do that. Anyways, what I was trying to say was this cannot be a 5. It cannot be a 2 as well. So this actually has to be a 6. Wow. So this can't be a 5 because 6 divided by whatever is not going to make 5. So this is actually a 2. So everything is a 2 in this. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then we have something minus that divided by blah 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 is going to be 2. So this is either going to be a 4 or 8 because it has to be 2. So this is either a 4 or 8, but yeah. Anyways, this 3 sees this 4, 3. That sees that, so this is a 9. This is a 6. I could probably do this portion. I'll do it in a moment. Let me just clean up a couple things. We actually might have this right here. I think we might have it. Oh wait, the 4 and 8. Never mind. Let's not do that just yet. Okay, so 9. So 9's gonna go right here. Oh crap! I didn't even notice that I did that one. That 5 that I made right there saw that one. So anyways, 7. Two can be anywhere. Oh wait, can't. Never mind. I lied to you. I don't know why I'm doing it that way. I like seeing it more like I was gonna say more better. We can see it more better. Oh my god. This is gonna be 3. And this is gonna be 8. Okay. Okay, we did it. We did it. Alright. To make this a 5 or a 7, there is no way that we can minus anything by 7, so let's get rid of that 7. You crazy 7. What about 3? So 8 minus 3 is 5? Yeah. 9 minus 3, not so much. But what about 2? 8 minus 2, nope. 9 minus 2, yeah, that works. Okay. So this is still up in the air. It's really quick. 6 times. I'm just looking at the last digit. 6 times 5 is 30, so it'd have a 0 right there. Can't have a 0, so this is not a 5. 6 times 7 has a 2 in it, so the 2 does work out right there. 6 times 8 is 48. Can't have 2 8s in the same, so this is not an 8. So this is actually a 7. What's funny is we're like calculating it as we go down the line. That's pretty cool. Anyways, this is a 2. Oh, we can solve that now. Okay, so that's 42. Why am I blanking on this? 42, and then just do that again. Wait, yeah, it can't be it the other way. What am I talking about? So that's right. Okay. Alright, so now that we calculated that as a 2, we know that this is the 5, this is the 2, this 5 sees that up there. That 7 that we just created made this the 5, so the only possible way... Sorry, I'm losing my voice apparently. The only possible way that we can get this is 8 minus 3, which would make this 9. Alright. Okay. So, 9 plus 2 is 11. Can't have two 1s in there, so this is a 7. Takes that to 2. So that means this is 16. So this is 16. 2 and 8 actually works here. Let me just double check that this is the only ones. 3 doesn't go into 16. Yeah, this is the only way that it can be. So this is the 2, this is the 8. We'll go ahead and fill these in. 3 and 5. Let's clear out some of our bookmarks. Pencil marks. I don't know why I keep on saying. I always say that. Why do I always say that? Why? Why? Okay. Just because we could see like this, like go all the way down. We know that there's gonna be an 8 and oh, never mind. Okay, this is an 8. And this is a 9, I want to say, because 9, yep, okay. 9 is going to go right here somewhere. Okay. So 12 minus 8 is 4. That's 8. We'll go ahead and calculate all these really quick. Okay, so we knew that those are the 9. The rest of it's 3. This is a naked single because everything's freaking seeing this. Michael, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm like, my eyes are like jumping around to see if I see anything else. This 3 sees that, and I'm just being dumb apparently. Yeah, I'm being dumb. It's a lot of fun being dumb. Yay! Okay. This is a 1, 2, and 4. Oh. Just didn't even notice that. Sudoku's killing that 2 off. Kill away, kill away. Okay. Alright. So this has to be a 2, so this has to be a, like 8 divided by 4, so this has to equal 4. So what can we do here to equal 4? Alright, let me just fill these in really quick, because this is probably going to give us the thing, now that I think about it. Alright, 4 and, oh my god, I have the equation right here. This is a 4. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so again, this has to be a 4, so 5 minus 1 is 4, divided by 8 is 2, so that's perfect. This 4 is seeing that, bum bum bum, bum bum. Get rid of those. Actually, we have these things right here, so this is going to be 4. We already have the 4 right there, so this is a... Why am I not seeing a 9? Yes, 9. Okay, so this is going to be a... This is going to be a 7, 3, or 6. Yeah, 6. That can be a 6. Okay. Alright, so remember it has to equal 24. Yeah, what's divisible by 24? 7 sure ain't, so let's get rid of that 7. If it's 3, that means it would have to, this would have to be equal to 8, but 7 minus anything is not going to be 8, so sorry 3, you're not there. So this is a 6. So 6 divided by that is 4. So how do you get 4 by this? Oh, well, 7 minus 3 equals 4 times 6 is 24. Bam, bam, bam. And the rest of it, Sudoku. So that was a fun ass puzzle. I really enjoyed it. Yeah, that was cool. Used our math brains to figure that out. I was noticing while I was going through it that there was like definitely different ways of approaching this puzzle. Because it wasn't like you needed to figure out one in order to start doing another one. That's what I thought it was gonna be, and I was gonna be like, oh man, which equation is gonna be the one that unlocks everything? But I felt like I was able to jump around, and like if I was getting a little stuck on one, I could just jump around, figure something out, and then it would kind of like lower the probabilities of the other ones, so then I could just kind of do those equations in my head and stuff like that. So this wasn't too terrible of a puzzle. So if you guys played it, and you know, let me know how you guys did. I think this one was pretty doable in you know, for like, I guess intermediate, so that, you know, it's pretty good. I liked it. I really didn't even have to highlight these. I just kind of wanted to show why I was kind of focusing on that, was because like it was a lot easier to kind of go like, oh yeah, so you have to make sure that you kind of equal that. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, these puzzles happen every other Wednesday, so stay tuned until 2 more weeks until we do a new one, and until then, I will see you guys next time. Subscribe, comment, do all that fun stuff, you know. Follow me on all my social medias. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.